everyone. Yeah, today my topic is about ant. It is amazing, this small animal that it is so much recognized for its abilities. Even the Bible mentions about ant. The main character of the ant that is mentioned in the Bible is its hard work. You see Proverbs 6:6-8, it says, "Go to the ant, thou sluggard. Consider her ways and be wise." Also Proverbs 30:25 says, "The ants, a people not strong, yet they prepare their meat in summer." These two sentences are more than enough to see what ants are like. Even in our life, if we are looked down because of our color, because of the way we look, the way we, our stature, because of our creed, our culture, or our background, never underestimate the strength of a common man because of their hard work. Hard work will always prove your abilities. Hard work will always show how able you are, because hard work is universal. No matter what kind of ants are there in the world, they are hardworking. So if you are hardworking, there is no boundaries for it. You will be recognized. People will recognize you through your character. Hard work brings a direction in life. Hard work brings creativity in life. Hard work makes you rich, and hard work makes you a man of patience. So hard work, this is what we should learn from our ant. Though they are small, they are very hardworking. You are small, you are despised. Show your abilities through your hard work. Secondly, ants, they gather and they store. They are very wise. Bible says that they are very wise because they gather and they store. So what do you do with your finances? Gathering and storing can be in many ways, like you give, you receive. What you sow, that you reap. Budgeting and saving is also gathering for different seasons. And also being disciplined, being giving to your church, to your community, helping others is a great way of storing up for you, storing up for your family, and storing up for your future. And ants are always disciplined. Discipline, yes, in what way? We have seen ants always walk in a line. They always move in lines. They always have a leader. They always have queen. They always have people who do a particular set of work, and they are always disciplined. So be disciplined in your life. The time you get up, the time you sleep, disciplined with your cleaning, disciplined in your activities, disciplined with your breakfast and lunch and dinner. Have the discipline. It's a great start to train others also under you. Okay, the ants are always on the run. What do you mean by always on the run? They are not sluggards. They are not lazy. They are always on the run. You know, Bible, David says, "Lord, help me to count my days so that I have a heart of wisdom." Do not waste your time in movies or gossips or any other thing. And simply shopping. You know, they say window shopping. It's a great waste of time. You know, the servant of God have to be ready for every good work. So utilize the time wisely, because time and tide waits for none. So the time that is lost, it is lost forever. They are great at teamwork. So this is where we can be more productive, more influential, not only for us, even for our team. We can contribute ourselves. But as a team, we should always have a goal. As a team, we should have a vision. So if a team has to be successful, if the ants have a single vision, that is gathering, storing, hatching, or what they are working behind. In the same way, if you have a team, have a vision. Contribute towards a team. Be focused on the team. Be for the team. This is what we studied about ant. So guys, today we are praying for you. Do not be sluggard, but be wise as a ant. Store for yourself. Be disciplined. Be hardworking. Be always on the run. Do not waste time. If you have any prayer requests, we are praying for you. God bless you. DM or comment any prayer request. Take care. Shalom.